Hello everyone, this is Akanksha from English Logger. Today we will start a new topic of grammar, that is sentence and its types. To know about its types, first of all, we will learn about what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words usually containing a verb that expresses a thought in a form of a statement or a question or an instruction or exclamation and starts with a capital letter when written. Now let's get started with sentence and its types. Here we have four kinds of sentences. Number one is a statement tells something and ends with full stop. Then a question asks something and ends with question mark. Next, a command tells someone to do something. And last is an exclamation shows strong feeling and end with exclamatory mark. So these are the four kinds of sentences. Now what we call to each type of sentence, let's talk about this. Number one kind of sentence is declarative sentence. Now what do you mean by declarative? Declarative means when you are stating something, or assertive sentences are also called declarative when you are giving some information about something, or when you are giving statement, or when you are declaring something. Normal sentences end with full stop. These sentences are called declarative or assertive sentences that state something. Okay, now I have three examples. The boy walked home ends with full stop, given information about the boy. I love honey, just giving information or telling about you. I love honey, what you like. Next is he wants to eat cookies, but he doesn't know how to make them, and ends with full stop. So the sentences ends with full stop or giving information about something or state something. Those are declarative sentences. Next we have interrogative. Interrogative means if a sentence is asking question and have question mark at the last. So these are interrogative sentences, and interrogative sentences ask questions. Examples: why does the sun shine? Whose dog is that? Will Sherry get to keep all her winnings? End with question mark, and these are the examples of interrogative sentences. So interrogative means asking question. When you have question mark in the sentence, or if it is asking question, so you just simply need to write interrogative sentence. Imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are those sentences which show command or a request or an advice. Imperative sentences express a command, a request, or give an advice. If in the sentences you are feeling that okay, command is there or a request is there and an advice is there, so you just need to identify the sentence that is imperative sentence. For example, pick up the litter. Either it is a command, request I can't say because please is not there, right? Please feed the puppies. So please, that is request. You must come to our village more often. So this is advice that you must visit to doctor once in a while or once in a month. So like this, it's an advice. Please shut the door. So this is again request. When you are requesting someone to do something for you, when it is an order or a command, so these types of sentences are imperative sentences. Now the last kind of sentence, that is exclamatory sentence, and exclamatory sentences are those sentences which express strong feelings or emotions and have an exclamation mark at the end. For example, look how beautiful the horizon looks! Exclamatory mark, you can see. How well he sings! Exclamatory mark. The room smells awful! Exclamatory mark. So the sentences which show strong feelings or emotions and end with exclamatory mark, those are exclamatory sentences. So this is it about 4 kinds of sentences. Now it's time to do practice to make it more clear. It's time to test, but before it we will do a quick revision. The very first sentence we have done, that is assertive or declarative. It's a statement one. Then we have interrogative question mark. Then third type of sentence we have imperative, that is command, request or order. And the fourth kind of sentence we have done exclamatory, end with exclamatory mark. Now let's get started with test. The very first is I am going to rest for some time. It is just a statement, so it is assertive or declarative. You can write ASS or simple A and D for declarative. Next, this that is always going to be a question. This is again declarative, nothing is there. It's just a statement. When it will be stop raining, question mark, that is interrogative, correct. So you just need to put I. What a tasty cake. What the sentence is doing over here? That sentence means it is a strong feeling for something, that what a tasty cake, and it ends with exclamatory mark. So that is exclamatory sentence. You have to write E for that, exclamatory. Then please come here. Please, that is a request. You are making a request. So here it is imperative. Imperative is I. So will not make confusion interrogative and imperative. For imperative we can write I am. Otherwise you need to write the entire spelling or complete spelling. Then are you going to the party? This is question mark. Very good. It is interrogative. So simple I you need to write in front of that. Next, how wonderful this news is. Exclamatory mark. That is exclamatory sentence. Very nice. That is E. And last is you draw really well. This is again statement. So that is assertive or declarative. Very good. So this is it for today. Stay tuned for more videos. You can subscribe my channel English Vlogger. Thank you and have a nice day.